Welcome to Probable, where we focus on metals, mining, and more. Joining us today from the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium is Stephen Nano of Mirasol Resources. Stephen, thanks for joining us.
Bruce, always a pleasure, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Notice today that Mirasol Resources has a new logo. Talk to shareholders why the change.
Well, I think it was time. The website was very old. It was time to renovate it. But I think it's really the opportune moment where we're bringing forward a big crop of new projects, focusing on a bunch of new deals. So we've brought forward this new look for the company. And I guess watch the space as we build out the new project pages for the things that we're dealing and the new projects that we have in the portfolio.
Speaking of projects, I've noticed there's been a redistribution or allocation in the portfolio. It was more gold-centric. Now you've added copper.
Yeah. Look, really, again, a very counter-cyclical move for us. I think we have had a 2 to 3 year cycle here of project portfolio building. Initially focused on gold. Right at the bottom of the gold market, we took an opportunity there to use our skill set, our project generation set to build this portfolio of really high caliber gold projects that's moving forward. We saw an opportunity about a year and a half ago to do the same in copper. When the copper market was at the bottom, an unprecedented opportunity in Chile in the 25-30 years that I've been working there, where high caliber copper ground was opening up. So thankfully the Mirasol board backed us to start a generative cycle for copper. I think again a really well-timed move. What we're seeing now is very, very strong demand for our gold projects and a very high build-up in demand and interest in our copper projects from large copper producers. So we have a really nice balance now, and of course, if you're looking for copper, then Chile's a really sensible place to be. Approximately 40% of the world's copper in the last 20 years has been discovered in that country. So we're there now with a very nice portfolio of precious metal and copper projects that we're focused on finding partners for.
Speaking of projects, portfolio, 2 or 3 years ago the portfolio was being built, of adding projects. Now there's a shift. Talk about the shift.
Well, I guess what we've done here is we've gone through a building phase. Mirasol currently controls in Chile and Argentina over 500,000 hectares in about 40-odd projects. Mirasol has always been and remains a precious metal focused company, but now we have those copper projects as well, and we've really, I guess, stocked the larder. We've been very, very successful at what we do well, which is generate large-scale, district-sized targets, and now we're moving to focus into a business development phase. So not only are we standing here with a portfolio of great gold and copper projects, but I've bolstered my business development team. So I've added business development person in Chile and a person here in Vancouver. So for the first time, Mirasol actually has a team of people working and focused on getting those deals in place. It's going to be an exciting 6 to 12 months. I'm anticipating a lot of deal flow, and of course that's the key thing about what we're doing here, is that to create real value you need discovery, and to make discoveries you need drilling, and that's our focus now, is getting those drill rigs turning on multiple projects and accelerating that path to that drill discovery that's going to return value to our shareholders for that share price appreciation.
Before we leave, let's talk about your joint venture partners, because you're talking about drilling.
Yes. Well, look, at the moment we have 2 really strong joint ventures in place. They're both precious metal joint ventures. One is with Yamana Gold in Chile. That joint venture is now entering its 4th year. Yamana's in March made a $400,000 payment to us to continue into this next year. This is going to be a big drill season. Definitely we are on to a large oxidized, bulk mineable style high sulfidation gold system. The drilling is going to be focused on finding something that is potentially a minor discovery, but really encouraged to date. We also have a brand new and exciting joint venture, we think, in Argentina with Oceana Gold. So both these companies are, upper mid-tier producers. Oceana's first foray into South America is with Mirasol on our Curva project. The deal structure there will see us put approximately 3,000 metres into Curva before Christmas. And again, targeting walk-up drill targets with high-grade gold, large-scale footprints, multiple systems. Exciting
It truly
stuff. And potentially that year that we see it, but combined, we're anticipating in the order of somewhere around 6,000 metres of drilling before Christmas in those two projects, and probably around 3 million Canadian underground from our joint venture partners in the two projects, that order. So really busy time and really exciting time.
It truly is. Now, Stephen, for someone listening, if they want to get more information regarding Mirasol Resources, what's the contact details?
Yeah, look, brand new website, as you mentioned. We think it's a rather attractive website with some cool functionality. So please visit mirasolresources.com and have a look at what we've done. And please, sign up, because we're building out new project pages as we speak to add to that. And of course, contact details on the website for myself or for Jonathan Rossett, our new manager for corporate development.
Stephen Nano of Mirasol Resources. Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable.
Thank you again.
All the best, sir.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.